gonna watch the cinnamon challenge and then do the cinnamon challenge. Okay.
Alright, here you go.
And a spoon. Mine is bigger, but I'm gonna put less on it because that would not be fair. Tablespoon of cinnamon. Don't spit it out.
Won't spit it out.
Oh, what am I doing? I can just use the other side. Ugh! Okay, okay. I spilled it on my lap! Paper towels. Can you go get some paper towels, please? Okay. Tablespoon of cinnamon for me. Okay, I need to put the
Drop.
No, don't.
Her tablespoon of cinnamon. I don't want to do this. I'm joking. I really don't know what you're supposed to.
Don't swallow. Go. God, it tastes horrible. Ah.
I just threw up 10 times and that.
Wipe that up.
I am. Just gotta make sure I'm not throwing up anymore.
And it looks like blood because of the Kool-Aid.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh, I'm not doing that again.
You lasted like 5 seconds.
I was in the bathroom throwing up.
I know. First you spit up on it. You're like,